Today we're going to decorate our peppermint cookies using our peppermint candy cookie recipe. Here are also the snow angels that you're making in your kit. Now, after you bake your cookies, you want to create your royal icing. We're using red, white, and green. Follow the directions and also on the online resources giving you more tips how to make the icing. Here we're going to outline our cookies to create a barrier and then color in the rest of the cookie with white icing. The most important part of this is keeping the icing still wet and not letting it dry. So have your red and green icing ready to go. Here I'm using a toothpick to even out any little holes or little bubbles to even it up. Now taking your green icing, you're going to make a cross. Here I made a little mistake, but look how easy it was to fix. Then taking your red icing and going across and making another cross. And now taking a toothpick, you're just going to drag it around, and that makes the beautiful candy. And after your cookie dries, go ahead and fill in these lines to give it some more definition as the candy wrapper. And there you have your beautiful cookies ready to share with friends and family. If you do not have our kit yet, go ahead to go to kidsbakingclub.com. Merry Christmas!